Welcome to How Logical, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching BIGO Live series part 21. In this video, I will show you how to change number in BIGO Live application. For that, you need to open your BIGO Live application first. In this homepage, you will see 5 different icons below. Click on that Me icon at the right corner. You will reach to this page where you will see setting icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on setting icon. You will be taken to this page. Here find the option Account Management. Once you find it, click on that option. Click on the option Phone. You will reach to this page where you will see 2 different options here. Change phone number and change password. As we are going to change our phone number, so click on the first option that says phone number. A verification code will be sent to your current phone number after you click on this send option. Once you get the code, enter it here. Once you enter the code, click on next. Now you're at a new phone number that you are willing to change to. Once you enter the new phone number, click on that send option next to it. Then a verification code will be sent to this phone number via SMS. Wait for the code. Once you get the code, enter it here. After you enter the code, click on Done. And you have successfully changed number in BIGO Live application. So this is how you change number in BIGO Live application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.